As some of you might know, we have a few cars in for braking at RPI, and here's the latest one. As you can see, it's a Range Rover Classic, and I'll just sort of take a quick video here to run you through all the bits that we've got and that are for sale. And if there's anything you see that you'd like, either send us a message or give us a ring and we'll see what we can do for you. Starting on the outside, we have a set of spotlights on a light bar, a snorkel if off-roading is your thing. The bonnet is in good condition and solid. It's not sort of rusty or full of holes like a lot of them can be. The side lights don't look the best, but the lenses aren't cracked. And moving around, we've got a winch bumper with a set of four-way fair leads on them. It looks to be in good condition. Coming round, there's a set of wheel arch extensions, front and rear. The previous owner of this car has made his own set of running boards, which are for sale. And the doors, in good condition, just with some surface rust, so a little bit of prep work, and they'd make a good replacement if yours are rusty. Moving round to the back, again a good set of tail lights, not cracked on the lenses or fogged up. The rear bumper is a standard bumper, just missing the end caps, but again it's not rusty or holed. And there is a tow bar and frame fitted as well. Moving round to the driver's side, it's much the same as the passenger side. Both the doors are solid, just with some surface rust. And we have good condition wheel arch extensions, front and rear, and the custom running boards. Moving inside, the driver's door card unfortunately has suffered some water damage to the wood, and there is a small split there, but the rest of the card is in good condition. So if you haven't got door cards currently, these could make a good starting point. Inside, we have removed some parts for the restoration of our own Range Rover Classic, but there are some usable parts here, such as the binnacle, which is in good condition, and the steering wheel, as well as the wooden gear stick surround and the gaiter down here, and much of the panelling on the dash. The dash itself has unfortunately been cut up for an ECU relocation, but vents and parts are available should you require them. It's a full leather interior with no rips or tears to the seat, just some usage marks from all the years in this car. We're sure some leather balm and a bit of care and attention could see them good as new. If there's anything from this car that you'd like, feel free to message us and we can take more detailed photos and list any parts you require. The rear door card in better condition than the front, the wood in good condition, just with some chips and I think a small split. Perhaps that's the other side. But the rest of the door card is good, but does require some cleaning, as some mud and clay has got in the bottom here while off-roading, and some of the paint from the wheel arch has rubbed off. And what you can see here isn't rust, it is just where some paint's come off, the orange has come off the black base coat. Rear seats again, similar condition, just in need of some love and attention. Just for some more detail on the passenger side, the door card here, as you can see, it's overall clean. However, the wood has unfortunately suffered a little as well, with just a bit of a split there. This is a vehicle that was fitted with ABS, so we do have an ABS ECU available, tucked up under the seat there. And the rear door card, good condition overall, and just this little crack on the bin there. But the rest of the door card is in good condition, just requiring cleaning the same as the others. Under the bonnet, the engine itself not for sale, as we'll be removing it and using it for the core material for one of our own rebuilds. However, anything else you can see is, such as the header tank here. This again is a vehicle with ABS, so the ABS pump and the brake fluid reservoir there are available. And moving around to the other side, we've got power steering fluid reservoirs, air boxes and washer bottles. Lastly, just moving underneath, anything you can see here is for sale. So again, just a quick look at the underside of the winch bumper there. Moving backwards, this vehicle has been fitted with a lift kit, extended springs and shocks. The front axle with a diff guard fitted. Steering box at the side here, you can't quite see it on the video. the auto box and the transfer box, both for sale. At the front we have QT3 radius arms, which we believe to be caster correction for the lift kit. Got both drive shafts, look to be in good condition. And at the rear here we have cranked radius arms, both sides, and again extended springs and shocks, and the rear axle. So that's it for this Range Rover. If you want any more information about any of the parts, we can be reached by email on info@v8engines.com, facebook.com/rpiv8, or phone at 01603 891 209.